Hi, everybody. It's Kimberly Foster again from Back Office Diva. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature in your Gmail email account. Okay, so first I'm going to go over to a Gmail account and I'm going to click on the settings, the gear box over here for settings. Okay, and then you're going to go to see all settings. And then you're automatically brought into the General tab, which is exactly where you want to be. And you want to scroll down about 3/4 of the way down and you look for the signature area right here. Okay. So as you can see, I already have several signatures right here and they're all locked and loaded. But to create a new one for yourself, you can click on the create new and you want to give it a name, and I would suggest some sort of descriptive name so that when you are adding it to an email it's easily recognizable. So for these purposes I'm just going to add the name demo. So you create it and then basically you create the name and then you just write whatever you want here. So it could be your name, it could be your business name. You might want to insert your logo, which you do by clicking the insert image here and then navigating to your logo and inserting it there. You probably want your phone number. You might even want to bold it. Okay, so you can use any formatting features here. And then maybe you want to put your website URL, but you don't want that bolded, so you take that out. Okay, so let's say, yeah, you've got everything in here that you want and you scroll down and save changes. This is really important to remember because it's not obvious. It's at the bottom of the page and it's really easy to forget doing that. So one other way I want to show you is, let's say you have created an image, maybe in Canva or InDesign or Illustrator or wherever, but you have it as a JPEG or a PNG, and it's got your logo and your name with special font, whatever, and you want to upload it as an image. So this is a little bit different, but it's easy. What you do is you go over here to this insert image icon right here where my cursor is and click on that. If you have not already uploaded it to My Drive, then you click upload and then you're going to navigate to where that particular image file is on your device. What I do is I usually put it on my desktop so I can very easily navigate to it. Actually, I just drag and drop it right here. I like to keep things easy and fast. And there it is. So you can still add to it if you want to add something here. If you wish, otherwise you just leave it like so. And what's the next step? Save your change. Okay, click that and you're back here again. Now I'm going to go back into settings to scroll down to demo and show you. If you decide you don't like that, you can replace it. You can rename it. You can edit the signature name and you can delete it, which I will do right here. So that's it. It's really simple, and email me if you have any questions. Kimberly at backofficediva.com. Take care. Have fun.